friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. This will be the last video you see me in with this shirt and this makeup, but I felt like recording today, as I said in the other video, so I thought I would come on here and do that. So I'm going to be unboxing my Walmart, I believe this is a spring box, and another surprised PinchMe box that I received from PinchMe, which I was not expecting. I recently shared one with you guys. If you haven't seen it, I will put it up in the cards. But they did send me another one, so I'm always excited to get stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything out of the box real quick, and then I'm going to share with you what I got. First thing they sent me are these Blue Diamond Mini Nut Thins, hint of sea salt, low sodium, almond and rice cracker snacks. And it's just an individual bag. That is what it looks like. It does say it's 90 calories. They are wheat and gluten free. So yeah, I'll try those. Maybe with even with some salsa or something. The next thing I got was another bag of the Harborough gummy bears. They always send these to me. I love getting those. They're my favorite. They must know that I love them. So. And then they sent me this Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb Snack Cup Iced Lemon Drop. It says here that it's free from gluten, artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors. It's a 2-gram net carbs, 0 added sugar, coconut oil MCTs. And that is what it looks like. They sent me one of those. I will definitely give that a try when I'm wanting just like a little something sweet. They also sent me this coupon here for, it expires April 30th. It's for a pack of free pack of Impossible Burger Patties that come in a 2-pack. It says that it's burger patties made from plants, and it has 19 grams of protein, no hormones or antibiotics, and is 0 cholesterol. So that is what that looks like. Show you this side. That's cool to get that. Definitely don't want to miss out on that, so I need to put that with my other coupons. And then the last thing they sent me is, it looks like their Cub Wipes. It says, you are about to meet your next favorite personal care product. These are premium cotton dry wipes made from 100% plant-based fibers, and yeah, that is what that looks like. That's cool. That's something different and unique that they've never sent me, so I'm excited to try those. Definitely will let you guys know what I think. As always, when I tell you guys about these products, all the information for PinchMe is linked down below. It is a free website. You just go there, sign up, and they will send you different things to do, like surveys and things like that, and you can get free products to be sent to you, just like what you saw me receive. So definitely check them out. Also, they do have an Instagram. I'll try to link that down below as well. So if you are interested in receiving free products, definitely check them out. So on to the Walmart box. Again, I think this is the spring box. It did come with a little card. Yes, this is the Walmart spring box, and it does have the information in here. So I'm going to just start with what it says at the top. It says, a breath of fresh air for your routine just in time for spring. Tag Walmart Beauty Box to share. Okay, this is the Avena Collagen Regeneration Lotion. It's a this is not the full size. This is a 3.4 ounce. But it says that the full size is 17 ounces and retails for $5. It says, excellent for all skin types. This fast-absorbing formula contains snail mucin to help repair, brighten, and soften skin. That sounds nice. Let's see what it smells like. Doesn't have a bad smell at all, so I'll definitely try that. Okay, the next item is a Palmer's Length Retention Biotin Pack. It says that this pack retails full, this is considered a full size from what I could see. It retails for $1.77. That is what it looks like. It says here, the silicone-free treatment strengthens hair with powerhouse natural protectants that prevent brittleness and breakage to help achieve its optimal length. And yeah, that looks created for all curl patterns and textures. Now, I don't have curly hair anymore, but I will give that to my daughter and my son. I think they can both get a use out of it because there's so much product in here. They definitely both can try this. I'm glad to have that. And then I got the Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. This is in full size. This is not the full size, but the full size comes with 32 strips, and it retails for $6.97. This, they gave me 20 of them. They're the ones that go over your fingernails. This has been a very big popular thing lately. I have noticed a lot of people doing that, and they're really pretty. I may get my daughter to help me with that. It says, easy to apply nail strips deliver a strong, shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. Mix and match solid colors with show-stopping accent designs for a custom look. Colors vary. That's nice. The next item that I got is a Hello Activated Charcoal Toothbrush. It retails for $3.99. Soft, precisely tapered bristles are great at cleaning hard-to-reach spots while being gentle on your gums. And the BPA-free handle offers a comfy grip. That is what the brush looks like. And that retails for $3.99. I did get a Hello toothpaste. This isn't a 1 ounce, but you can get a 4 ounce for $3.99. It says, bring out your brightest smile and naturally derived ingredients that are safe and effective at reducing plaque and keeping breath fresh. Flavors vary. So I'm glad to have that. I have tried that before and I do like it. And then the last item I got in here is from Wild Primrose by Scrunchie. Hair accessories. That is what that looks like. You can find Scrunchie stuff at Dollar Tree. Add a cute twist to your daily look and comfy trend forward accents from Wild Primrose by Scrunchie, Walmart's exclusive hair accessory line. I'm glad to have those. I love scrunchies. I love using them, and these are some nice colors. So it does say, visit walmart.com, beauty new arrivals to check out this season's latest and loveliest finds. Mindful Beauty Box dropping summer 2021, a limited edition assortment of products made with ingredients you can feel good about. Refer a friend. Love discovering the best of Walmart. Invite friends to join by signing up at beautybox.walmart.com. So if you have not tried the Walmart Beauty Box, definitely try them out. This was a great box this time. Last couple times I wasn't real happy with it, but this one I really do enjoy. This box used to retail for $5. Actually, it used to be free and you only pay $5 for shipping, but now they changed it to $6 and some change, so it's about $7.12. But yeah, I think this was a great box and I wanted to share that with you guys. If you get the Walmart box, let me know down below so I can come and see your video as well. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up. But this will conclude the video for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.